The Bott CNC tool storage range, delivering flexible, affordable tool storage. Developed to protect high investments in tooling and machinery and to ensure dimensional integrity of calibrated tooling before insertion to machine, the Bott CNC tool storage system is integrated into the Bott Cubio range of cupboards, cabinets, benches and trolleys. The system components are removable molded inserts that are incorporated into tool carriers or tool blocks to provide easy access within a highly flexible system. These inserts, which hold all the major tool shank types, offer stability for preset tooling. CNC trolleys are available in three main types. The compact trolley offers fixed position storage for tool carriers as well as base and top shelf areas. Additional features have been design engineered into the heavy-duty trolley, which can be supplied with an end shelf and which enables tool carriers to be fixed at adjustable heights and angles. The CNC tool block trolley, on the other hand, represents a very high-capacity solution. The CNC cupboard is based on the Bott Cubio product and is available in a wide range of sizes. The Bott CNC range, a system that helps customers organize, protect and transport valuable CNC tooling.